Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account on the Xbox Series X. So let me sign out first on my account, from my account. So let's sign out. Sign out, and then from here select add new and then choose that, then give it a few seconds. And then from here, you'll be asked to type in an email address or your phone number that you'll use to create that particular account. So I have an email address. Let me type it in. And before we continue, ensure that that is a valid email address or a valid phone number, because it will be needed to verify that particular account. So type in your email address. Then once done, press the button on your controller that has 3 lines to go to the next page. Then give it a few seconds. And then from here, type in the name that your family and friends would like to know you by. So let's say, type in a random name. So let's use this name. And then press the button with the 3 lines on your controller. And then type in your last name. And then select go to the next one. And then rather to the next page. And then from here, type in a password that you'd prefer to use. So let's just use a random password. So that one, go to the next page, and then type in the password again. And then press the button that has 3 lines on your controller, which is the menu button. So just press the menu button. And then type in your birth date. So let's say May 10th, year 1999. So if you would like to create a child account, just ensure that you type in the birth date of your child, and that will automatically detect it's a child account. In short, if it detects that your birthday, you are not older than 18 years old, it will automatically set your account as a child account. So type in your date or type in your birth date, and then select next. And then you'll be asked to add a number or an email address that you can use in case of any security issues. So let me add another email address. So type in your email address. Once done, press the menu button on your Xbox controller to continue. And then you'll ask to agree to the Microsoft terms and conditions. So let me just press next. Then give it a few seconds to load. And then from here, you'll have to verify your email. So in case you typed in a wrong email, you can select typo in your email address and then type in the correct email. But if your email is correct, just type in the security code that you have received. So let me find my security code. Then once you type in the code, press the menu button on your Xbox controller to proceed. Then give it a few seconds to load. And then from here, you can choose the preferences for offers and info if you like. So keep me updated the latest Xbox news, or share my email with publishers for the games. So just select keep me updated and then press on next. And then from here, type in the Gamertag that you'd like to use. So for instance, let me type a random username or a random Gamertag. And then press the menu button on your controller to check if that Gamertag is available. So once it's available, press on next. Give it a few seconds. And then from here, follow the on-screen instructions that might appear. So you can read this information on how they collect your data from with the publishers. So select next. Then from here, you can read all the privacy settings, or rather the privacy statements from this page. And then select next. And then give it a few seconds. Now you'll be asked to create a PIN for that particular account. So let me just, for this video, I'll just say no barriers. So I'll select that. And then you'll be asked how do you want to sign in. So you can use instant signing, or you can link a controller, or you can skip this. So let me just skip this. And then you'll be asked, do you want to make this Xbox your home Xbox? So I'll select maybe later. And then from here, you can now choose the color you'd like to use as your accent. So let me choose red, and then select next. And then you'll see your game, how you look on Xbox. So select next. And then from here, your account will be created, or you'll have created a Microsoft account on your Xbox Series X. So for me, for now, you'll be asked to join an Ultimate Game Pass. So we'll say no thanks for now. So select no thanks. And now you have created your new Microsoft account using the Xbox Series X. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.